Hello, now we're going to continue with exercise 24. In this exercise, you're going to be challenged to use the correct preposition. That means that you could always refer back to the chart of the given prepositions because there's a variety and sometimes there's many choices that you could use. In this case, you do have a picture, and so you're going to be challenged to make sure you know what that preposition means before you use it to complete the sentence. So in this case, we have the man is blank the house. So if you look at the picture, is he under the house or outside the house? So if you're not sure, you could always refer back to lesson 21 where you have a word bank of prepositions to reference. So the man is, if you are correct, we are going to use outside the house. The man is outside the house. Because under would mean he would be under the house. And in this picture, we could see he is outside the house. Now, number 2, we're going to use either in front of or inside. You have a picture of a man next to the truck. So, is it in front of the truck or inside the truck? So you have to look at the picture and determine which preposition would fit the picture best. So in this case, the man is inside the truck. So we're going to use inside. So again, let's read the sentence together. The man is inside the truck. So remember, you have to know what each preposition means in order to complete the sentence. So this is challenging, but you could always refer back, but you are enhancing your vocabulary by studying all these prepositions, and you're going to understand a lot better what the meanings are, and your conversation skills are going, and your writing skills are going to be much better as you continue your practice. So, number 3, we have the children are outside the bus or the children are inside the bus. So if we look at the picture, we could see that the kids are inside the bus. So we would use inside to complete the sentence. The children are inside the bus. So again, we have the children are inside the bus. And if you notice, children is a plural word because it's more than one, so our helping verb is are in this case. Here it's just one man, the man, and that's why we use our helping verb is. Now, let's move on to number 4. The bird is before the cats, or the bird is between the cats. So again, let's look at the picture, and we could see that the bird is right in the middle, so it is between the cats. So we would use the preposition between. So again, the bird is between the cats. So if you look, you have to understand what each preposition means before you could complete the sentence. So remember, you could always refer back to lesson 21, revisit all the prepositions and their meanings, and then you can practice your pronunciation and having conversations, and try using more prepositions to enhance your vocabulary and your writing. Okay, very good. Now you continue on your own. Good luck, and see you soon.